Assalamu alaikum dear student. I am Bhagwan ma'am. Today I have discussed the bridge course about the standard 9th. So we have solved the unit test second after 30 days recognized by the SCRT 2000 according to the year 2021 to 2022. So marks having the 15 marks. And there is a time required for 1 hour, that is the offline test. After 30 days you have completed, then you should be solve this offline test. Now this video prepared by the unit test second. In the last videos I prepared the unit that is a test first after 15 days, the bridge course. In all our videos I have already discussed there have the 3 tests after 15 days. So now we have solved this test number second. So question number 1, choose the correct alternatives answers for the following questions. The questions there are the 4 marks, the 4 questions, multiple choice of the question. The first questions out of the following is the polynomial. There have the 4 option has given. So there the first option 2 root x. So that is the polynomial does not exist in the third forms. Then there is the power of polynomial does not in the fraction form, or there is the negative numbers. So A does not have the option. Number C, there is a 1 upon y. When you converted that, the power of y is the 1 positive. So you should be right in the y raised to minus 1. This is not the polynomial. D, m raised to minus 2. This is also does not have the polynomial because there is an index or power is the negative integer. So third option is the correct option. Then question, that is the second question. In a circle with a radius 5.2 centimeter, the length of the longest chord is. So there is the circle, the radius is half of the diameter and 2r is the diameter. Diameter is the longest chord of the circle. So if the radius 5.2, the putting the value of 2r, that is a 10.4 is their longest chord or the diameter. So option number 4 D. Then the next question, every square is not a dash dash. So square, the property of square, all angles are congruent to each other, all sides are congruent to each other. So every angle having the right angle, similar property corresponds to the rectangle, all side property correspond to the rhombus, similar to the rhombus. The parallelogram, opposite angles are congruent to each other and opposite sides parallel correspond that square. The property of similar property corresponding is a rectangle, rhombus and parallelogram similar to each other. But there is in the trapezium there is a differ one when the one side is a parallel. So therefore every square does not have the trapezium. Then the next question, the fourth, measure of semicircle. The measurement of circle having the 360 degree. So there is half of the measurement is 180. So अगर हम 360 को 2 से डिवाइड करते हैं, हाफ पोर्शन लेते हैं, तो आधा सर्कल यानी सेमी सर्कल होता है. सेमी सर्कल की मेजरमेंट 180 डिग्री हो जाएगी. देयर इज अ सेमी पेरीमीटर, सेमी सर्कल जो भी कुछ है आधा. सो देन नेक्स्ट question number 2, solve, add the following. Their marks required for the 3 marks. So there have the 3 question. So the question has the 2x square minus 3x plus 5 in a first bracket plus second bracket 3x square plus 3x minus 5. When you solve this bracket 2x square minus 3x plus 5, remove that bracket, there is a half bracket by means multiplication of sign between them. If there is a not sign plus 3x square possess the positive sign, so plus 3x square plus 3x plus minus 5. Then you have get cancel minus 3x plus 3x because the same number the sign has the differ. So minus 3x plus 3x get cancelled, plus 5 minus 5 there have get cancelled. The number having the same but there is the different sign. So 1d1 2x square and plus 3x square. There has the 2x square plus 3x square, their addition 5x square. Then so we solve this equation at the following. They are having the 1 marks. So 2x square plus 3x plus 5 plus 3x square plus 3x minus 5 is equal to 5x square. That is the answer. Then there is the next question. Write the name of the one minor arc with the center O from the following figure. So what is the write the name of the minor arc. माइनर आर्क का अपने को नाम लिखना है कि माइनर आर्क क्या होता है. इन अ सर्कल देयर है द मेजर आर्क यानी बड़ा आर्क और माइनर आर्क यानी छोटा आर्क आएगा. सो सी हियर that is a circle. AC is the minor arc. So B is between. Otherwise you write there is the ABC or AB or BC. आपको एक ही पूछा है. Anyone you should be right. There are I have given the 3 names. The same arc. एक ही arc के same नाम है. वो arc अलग अलग नहीं है. But three times I write one. The changing the name or position तो same. The meaning is the same. अगर ABC बोलेंगे तो भी कुछ problem नहीं. AB, BC, AC जो भी रहेगा वो सेम रहेगा. Then the next question, in a rhombus ABCD, the diagonals intersect each other at P. Then find angle APB. So rhombus, their property of rhombus. Now we have draw the rhombus. The all angles and all sides are same in the rhombus. So the diagonals AC and diagonal BD intersect at a right angle. So there is a making intersecting point 90-degree angle. So every angle that is a 90, angle APB, angle DPC, angle BPC is the 90. 94 times there is a every angle 90 degree, because the property of a rhombus, in a rhombus that is the diagonals are perpendicular to intersect each other. Diagonal AC intersect the diagonal BD at a right angle. So angle APB is equal to 90 degree. Then the next question, solve the construct the triangle ABC such that measuring angle 60 degree, measuring angle B 80 degree. यहाँ पर आपको मेजरमेंट AB 4.8 सेंटीमीटर लेना है. प्रोटेक्टर में ए पॉइंट पर प्रोटेक्टर रखकर वहाँ पर 60 डिग्री का मार्किंग करना है. फिर उसी हाथ से B के ऊपर प्रोटेक्टर रख के बराबर आपकी ब्लैक लाइन फेस टू फेस आना चाहिए. उसी तरीके से C के 80 डिग्री लेकर वहाँ पर टिक मार्क करने हैं, दोनों को ज्वाइन करना है, तो आपका ये कंस्ट्रक्शंस रेडी हो जाएगा. देन सो the next question, so see here you are making the rough diagram. See here, first of all the AB, then draw that is the A, B. So you solve that one, that is a 60 degree angle, 80 degree angle, and by the using the protector, compass and ruler you prepared that they construct this diagram. The next question, so there have solved. So this marks having the 8 marks for the question. The first there have the 2 marks, that is construction for the triangle, and the second one, O is the center of the circle and length of the chord is 8 centimeter. Segment OP perpendicular to chord AB. Then if the length of OP is equal to 3 centimeter, then find the radius of the circle. So now I have draw this diagram in your question paper. So when we that is the AB is the chord, the OP perpendicular to the chords, that is a theorem. So when Draw the perpendicular from the center to the chord. The perpendicular bisect the chord. अगर कोई परपेंडिकुलर सेंटर से कॉर्ड पे ड्रॉ करते हैं तो वो परपेंडिकुलर उस कॉर्ड को बाइसेक्ट करता है. अगर वो 8 सेंटीमीटर है तो वो कितना हो जाएगा, हाफ ऑफ द ए बी, दैट इज 4 सेंटीमीटर. सो कॉर्ड ए बी इज इक्वल टू 8 सेंटीमीटर. लेंथ ऑफ ए पी इज इक्वल टू हाफ ऑफ लेंथ ए बी. सो the perpendicular drawn from center to the chord, the perpendicular bisect the chord. That is a theorem in geometry. So length of AP is equal to 4. Then see here, OP perpendicular to AB, angle OPA is 90 degree. Join O and A. So OP is equal to 3 given as given in this question. In triangle OPA, angle P is the 90 degree. So that is making a right angle triangle by Pythagoras theorem, applying the Pythagoras theorem in a right angle triangle. So OA square is equal to OP square plus AP square. Hypo square is equal to one side square plus other side square. So 3 square plus 4 square, 9 plus 16, that is a 25. Taking a square root of both sides. So OA is equal to 5. That is the length of OA is the 5. So radius of circle, that is from center to the any point of the circle, that is radius. पूरे सर्कल की रेडियस OA 5 सेंटीमीटर है और सर्कल कंसीडर करते हुए ही हम सर्कल ड्रॉ करते, रेडियस कंसीडर करते हुए हम सर्कल ड्रॉ करते हैं. So that is the radius of circle is the 5 centimeter. If you have get the 3 centimeter and 4 centimeter, so that is Pythagoras theorem. You have get there is OA is the 5 centimeter and 3, 4, 5 is also the triplet of the Pythagoras. 3, 4, 5, 5, 12, 13. That is also the triplet of the Pythagoras. Okay. Then the next question. Third, expand the following m plus 2n square. You know the formula a plus b bracket square. So m plus 2n bracket square. M means that is see here, that is m is equal to a comma that is 2n is equal to b. So we are putting at the place of a and b. A means the first number square, that is a b second square, and 2 that is a twice of the a and b. So a square plus twice ab plus b square. So similar way, applying this formula in the am plus 2n bracket square. So m square, m into 2n into 2 plus 2n square. A square plus 2ab plus b square. That is m square plus 2 2s are 4mn plus 4n square. So we have get the answer, that is m plus 2n bracket square. This is the expansion of this sum. Expand. So many formulas, a minus b bracket square, that is a square minus b square. So this formula you have apply algebraic formula, expansion formulas, and this is the a plus b bracket square related formula. You should be applied and expand this sum. Then next quantity, divide next sum, divide in a first bracket 2x square minus x minus 1 bracket close divided by x minus 1. So x minus 1 is the divisor, 2x square minus x minus 1 is the dividend. When you divide that one, so first number is a 2x square. So when x minus 1 multiplied by 2x, so there is a 2x square minus 2x. अगर तो दोनों को ही अपने को x को और minus 1 को पूरी तरह से अगर हम multiply करते हैं, so we have get the 2x square minus 2x. Multiplication is the numbers variable as well as the sign is there. So we have get the 2x square minus 2x. Then subtract the number. In the subtraction there are the changes, the sign. So plus minus, then plus 2x square minus 2x square get cancelled. Then plus 2x minus x, there is a x minus 1. So x minus 1 ones are x minus 1, and then we have get the x minus 1 subtraction minus plus we have get the remainder 0. So in that the standard 7th, 8, you know the quotient, remainder, divisor, dividend. So there is the quotient 2x plus 1, remainder 0, divisor x minus 1, and dividend 2x square minus x minus 1. You know the formula. If you putting this formula and check your answer, there is a quotient into divisor plus remainder, you have get the dividend, and in such a way we solve this the all test about the 15 marks. You should be practice and solve the offline so many times. All types are included in this test. And after next video I prepared the third test. The all students see that and subscribe this my channel, because you will get the notification about it. If any videos you can check from this my channel about the mathematics, scholarship, MTS and NTS. Okay, thanks student. Assalamu alaikum student.